Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Fistner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, you might be wondering what does this ball do here, yes? So this is a crystal ball for the customers who would like to get a price before me trying to repair and see what's wrong, okay? So, yes, customers are notoriously asking, how much? And doesn't always work like that. If we see damaged HDMI, port, we might say, okay, if anything else is wrong, will be different, but if it's only HDMI port, will be this one, yes, because we know roughly how much it takes us to do it, yes. And again, replacing a port and opening a whole device like Sony's PlayStation might be a different thing, because you might end up in the rabbit hole where there is plenty of not only screws but as well dust, and you'll spend extra 15 to 20 minutes on cleaning that device, yes. So you know, it's more of a case by case. That's why I've got crystal ball. But back to the main topic. So we've got a Nintendo 3DS LL or something. It's a new one, new 3DS. I think so, it's LL or something. Now this is working fine. The only issue it has is when you plug in the headphones, you've got a sound. When you disconnect the headphones, you've got a sound when you are in the camera mode. And you can hear click, 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 click. But you don't have general sound. Now, I found a YouTube, of course, video, which if you're gonna look in Spanish you will find it, which shows a fix for it. And now let us switch to our free energy camera, okay, camcorder, I mean. Why free energy? Because sun, guys, sun is powering this device here. So we are in it's a free energy, yes, we're underneath the scope, and we can see now that, where is my, okay, this will do, that here is this jack, no damage can be found at the jack level, yes, nothing, and there is this transistor which is XK written, okay, and then there was something else here which was 49, and yes, and on this one is different. That's why I wanted to show you, because that guy was showing that on his video this transistor here, this transistor here, it's faulty, and when you short this way, when you short it, look, when you short it this way, you get a sound, and it's indeed that way. So I've shorted and I had a sound, but here it's written XK, it's not written 49. So new Nintendo Switch, I'll switch to the pictures here, okay, so that's the video. You've got a guy, YouTube channel, and you've got a video. Again, it's in Spanish, okay, and this guy is showing even the voltage, that it's 179 when he's testing to the pin. I'll show you which one he's doing. So he's checking this pin here, yes, this pin here with a ground, so anywhere where you can find the ground. So this, and you should get the reading on 179. I didn't check because that's quite awkward, but when I've shorted it was a sound, so that's the thing. Let's switch again back to the video. I'll show you more. So then he proceed, and he's shown here, you see it's a 49, okay, 49. So I blindly, I just went to the components website, which is a, hold on a second, I'll show you because you don't see what the website is. Okay, here, smd.unid need.1, okay? And here when you see there are many 49 components, because it's a whole list of those. Where is the, okay, back to the, you see it's bunch of them. So you look for 40, 50, 4x, 4z, 4g, 40. You look for 49 and you've got it, yes? Now, if you're gonna check, you need to know the packaging, because that's SOT 490, which that's accurate, 490, and that's transistor, that's even more accurate. So when you look at the SOT 490 packaging, it's okay, you know, you match it. So if you can look at those all 49s in the list on the marking, you'll know that you can only find one of this model. And if you're gonna look for SOT 490 here instead, okay, so copy and paste, you've got only this one as well. So that matches, yes, so that would be okay in this guy's way. But we've got this different one, okay, so now it's a XK, X-ray kilo, okay, X-ray kilo, and that's not. So we need to go back to the to this and look for X, yes. Oh, you don't see a bunch of it. I'll find X, Y, Z, W, V, X5, XF, XH, XK. I've got it. And now, if we're gonna look for Control F for SOT, we've got NPN transistor, okay. And what else do we have? And we've got as well PNP transistor, okay. So this can be either or. We don't know, but based on that guy's requirement, I've checked that transistor and it's the same like a setup. So this is an NPN transistor, yes, that's what I found, and that's why I would say it's more of an NPN transistor. And then it's at the bottom, and then so that's what Google shows, you know. So let's find what Google says. Okay, so this is a R1 100k ohm, R2 100k ohm, NPN transistor, yes. And you've got VCO 50 and you've got 20 IO, yes. So let's go back to our list, yes, and we gotta look, that's PNP and that's NPN. So that's the one which we need, and then it's a 50 volts, 100, 100, and NPN type. So you can get that one to be true and replace it with, and you'll be fine as well, yes. I wouldn't say it's a much of a difference. Let's try to maybe Google this one as well. Copy, open new, and datasheet, and let's find what it is. Toshiba on all datasheets. Okay, same dimensions, base emitter collector, 50, 50. Oh, okay, where is current here? Where is I? Collector current is 100. Wow, so it's even more than 20. Okay, so this transistor was probably upgraded after some time. Maybe they've seen they are failing and that's why they've upgraded it. So it's worth, you know, it's worth to do due diligence and compare it and order this one rather than order Let me disconnect my free energy because I'll show. Sorry for the loud noises. Yes, it's a microscope connected to the battery, and that's why I've got free energy. So you see, free energy, no problem. We can drive it for solar panels, and then we can have it at home, and we can use it, and we can be happy people because we've got free energy. We've paid for it, of course, to do it, but even if you would have a free energy generator, yes, you would have to pay for it as well. And plus, I received solar panels for free, so it's even more free energy. And plus, that's an old battery from the car, which would go to the bin, and it's charged, and it's using me. You know, now I've got microscope, soldering iron, and I will have more devices as well. And so, free energy, guys, free energy. And people saying there is no free energy. How come? Look, no problem. So yeah, back to the topic. So you see, you need to do due diligence, because you see at that video, which is exactly the problem, guy is using 20 milliamperes version of the transistor, whereas in this very Nintendo Switch, you've got Nintendo 3DS, new 3DS LL, you've got 100 milliamp version. Yes, so you need to make due diligence, because if no, you're gonna install it, it will work, and after some time customer can come back and say it happened again. Yes, it happened again. So it's worth understanding what you're doing and let customer know that okay, we can either replace it or we can install another one. But again, the question is why this one has 100 milliamperes and that one has 20 and both have died. And that's, you know, that's something which I don't understand. I don't know, but I know that customer went for that one and bought that one. I will buy this one. It's more likely that this one will die less than that one, because this one has 100 milliamps. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. I don't know if anybody else has experience with this. If so, please leave the comments down below. If there will be something interesting ever, probably not, but if there would be, I'll pin it. Yes, I'll pin the comment. And that's it, guys. That's everything in the video. I don't know, if you like it, leave us some like button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye.